In a landmark collaboration, Hulladek Recycling Pvt Ltd, India's foremost waste management company, partnered with the Meghalaya Pollution Control Board to successfully organize the E-Waste Management Summit 2024 in Shillong today. This pivotal event convened key stakeholders to deliberate on critical issues surrounding e-waste management and recycling in the northeastern region of the country. Distinguished dignitaries including the Chairman of the Meghalaya Pollution Control Board, R. Nainamalai, the Member Secretary of the Meghalaya Pollution Control Board, G.H. Chirmang, and the founder and CEO of Hulladek Recycling Pvt Ltd, Nandan Mall, graced the summit with their presence, emphasizing the significance of collaborative efforts in addressing e-waste challenges. The summit served as a convergence point for government officials, business leaders, academic representatives, and environmental advocates to chart a collective course towards a sustainable future. It provided a crucial platform for knowledge sharing, exchange of best practices, and exploration of innovative solutions for efficient e-waste management. Chairman of the Meghalaya Pollution Control Board, R. Nainamalai, reiterated the board's commitment to promoting sustainable waste management initiatives, highlighting the summit as a pivotal milestone in advancing effective e-waste management across the northeastern states.
Thank you. It has a lot of employment opportunities because it has to be collected. Collection process will be engaging so many people, and again the dismantling those things, and again there are so many valuable materials being used that also. So on that e-waste management, there is a lot of employment generations. So that basis just it generates more employments.
Chairman and Managing Director of Hulladek Recycling Pvt Ltd, Nandan Mall, emphasized the company's dedication to environmentally responsible e-waste management. He outlined their broader mission to encompass comprehensive waste management solutions through collaborations with industry leaders that include Tata Rewire, Mahendra Siro, and Lico Waste Materials Pvt Ltd.
Today we are here in Meghalaya in the, as this is Scotland of the East in Shillong, and we are here today to extend this initiative to all of Meghalaya. Today, in association with the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, we have launched an electronic waste collection bin, which is going to be placed at the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. The idea behind this is that we do now understand through various government initiatives that there is dry waste and wet waste that needs to be segregated, but there's another kind of waste that requires a separate bin because it is hazardous in nature, it causes environmental issues. That is your electronic waste, and therefore it requires a separate bin, it requires separate segregation. And to spread this message across, we have set up this bin. We plan to set up 50 such bins across the state with the support of the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, and we look forward to making Meghalaya more greener and e-waste free as soon as possible. So once the material is collected, it is primarily broken down into three basic parts. You have metals, plastic and glass. And the fourth element, which is the key element, which is the hazardous substance, which needs to be recycled from the electronic waste. For example, if you look at a battery, it contains lead. Right? Lead is a carcinogen. It's a carcinogenic substance causes cancer if you're exposed to it. So the lead needs to be properly removed and recycled, and then the battery can be reused or replenished for further use. So similarly, all the carcinogen or hazardous substances in the electronic waste are removed, treated, and then disposed of. And the metals, plastic and glass are reused as raw materials for making new products out of it. So ferrous metals like iron, non-ferrous metals like copper, aluminium, various kinds of plastic such as PET, PV, etc. are used for making new materials, new products out of it. That's how the recycling is.